Hello, what's up guys, Fast here and welcome to my unboxing of Huawei P20. So here in front of me I got the box, Huawei P20 on the front, and the same on the side, and same on the other side, and the specs, and on the back more specs. So let's see what's in the box and take out the Huawei P20. It's a 1080p screen, so I hope it's good. Too bad it's not 4K. It got one 28GB memory card with no SD card and 4GB RAM. So here is the phone. Take it out. The home button, the side, power button, volume up and down, and on the top a microphone. On the side it's the slot for a SIM card, USB-C port, and speakers. And on the back we got the two cameras. One is 20 megapixels and the other is 12 megapixels. Let's see what's in the box. We got a SIM tool remover, and we got some manuals, and it looks like we have a case too. Yeah, that's really nice. Clear case. We can protect the phone. That's really nice to get in the box. Put this out to the side. We got the charger, USB-C cable, and some headphones, and the adapter to the headphones 3.5mm connection, because it's got no headphone jacket. That's really bad. So here is the phone. It's got a battery of 3400 milliampere. It should reach the full day without charging it. It's running Android 8.1, and the dual cameras here are capable of shooting 4HD, and with the super slow motion with your future you can slow down the time down to 960 squares per second. So that's really nice. So let's peel this off. And power it on. Huawei, powered by Android. It looks like they have installed a screen protector already. That's really nice. So you don't have to buy one directly. So here's the screen, and we got the notch. So I will set this up and return later with a video so you can see how it performs and other things. So hope you like this video, and please subscribe to see more. and see you in the next video. Bye.